Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be playing Adopt Me again. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notifications bell. I have something to tell you guys. I have good news, then bad news, then good news, then bad news, then good news, then good news. So here you go. I traded away my flyable dragon for a T-Rex, for a rideable T-Rex. Yay! And then here's bad news. I accidentally traded away my T-Rex for, here's the good news, a mega neon dog and a neon monkey. And here's more bad news. I accidentally traded away that mega neon dog. But then here's the good news. The person gave it back. The person, because I said I accidentally did it. So they give it back. And then I traded that mega neon dog for a dodo bird. And I also bought myself a fossil egg. So in this video, we are going to see what people will trade for a dodo bird. I'm going to say it in the chat. Trading dodo. Will anyone do it? Anyone? Trading dodo. I'm just gonna go around trading people. Okay, I got person. I got one. A saber-toothed tiger. Okay. By the way, guys, I updated the Minecraft house. Nope. I'll trade that. Oh, that's a normal one. I would do it since there's a dodo bird in there. Nope, and I knew it. I knew they were going to decline. Anyone? Oops, I meant to press trade. Okay, put in my dodo. By the way, guys, I will not be trading with the dodo. I'm just seeing what people have to offer for the dodo. Oh no. Okay, they could trade me again. I think they're gonna trade their fossil egg. Yep, knew it. And a cracked egg. Anything else? That and bone wings. I already have bone wings. I don't think I'm gonna do that one. I'm going to be hatching my fossil egg to see what's in it. Maybe I could get a T-Rex or another dodo bird. If I get a dodo bird, I will trade it away for something really, really good. I will literally trade away everything I have for a flyable frost dragon or a flyable shadow dragon or rideable ones, because those are my absolute dream pets. I love them. Okay, now I'm gonna put my fossil egg in the shower. Okay, now wait. I think I'm stuck up here. Nope. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and buy some food and some water. I do not know where the grocery store is, but I think it's near the campsite. So I'm gonna just drive to the campsite. I see it. I see the grocery store. It's right there. Okay. I'm there. I think I'm gonna buy 4 water bottles. But first I'm gonna buy this apple, 2 apples, and 3 waters. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the pool party. Okay. What's this store? I've never seen this store before. I think it's the one with the floaties. There you go. It's eating. It's about to hatch. When the pool party's done, it'll hatch. I hope it's a T-Rex or another dodo bird. Okay. It's probably going to be an uncommon, but I hope it's going to be one of the legendaries. Come on. I'm gonna drop it down of the slide for good luck. Hurry. No. Bring it in the water. What is it? Oh, it's a woolly mammoth. I think that's an ultra rare. Oops. Nope, that's just a normal rare. Time to get back to trading the dodo. Put that dodo in. I think I'm going to change servers after this. And they took away the hoverboard. I had one of these before. They're really big. Yeah, I'm going to change servers. Okay. Now to wait for it to load. Let's see what people have to offer. This looks like a trading server. Trading dodo. Can't really do that. A doggy skateboard. I don't think I'm gonna do that. That person's trading a koala. I thought they were gonna trade their reindeer. Nope. Put in dodo. Rideable dragon. I'm gonna bring my dodo bird to sleep. But first, I need to name my dodo to trading. Okay. A fly potion. What if I trade that for the fly potion? Oh man. I'll say in the chat. Fly potion. Fly potion. Even though this is 3 ultra rares, I want the fly potion. Okay. Going to add that and that. And a water? Nope, they said no. Okay, I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna say okay in the chat. What if I put the woolly mammoth in? Oops. Nope, and they declined. Put in my dodo. Ooh, fly potion. What if I put in the woolly mammoth? They could take out. Oh man. I'm gonna go find that person again and tell them that I only want the fly potion. I'm gonna say in the chat trading woolly mammoth for fly potion. Here we go. Anyone? What about this person? I'm gonna put in that. I'll do it for the witch's caravan because I am pretty sure that's the fastest. Oh, that's an ultra rare, and that's only a rare. So I'll do it. I think they're gonna oh, they did it. I'm gonna trade the person with this. Wow. Okay. No. I think she's AFK right now. I'm gonna say it again in the chat. Trading saber tooth for fly potion. Here we go. I'm gonna jump up and down so people could see them. Hello. Trading saber tooth for fly potions. Now I'm gonna say fly or ride because I'll take any. First, I need to trade that person to see if they're. Nope. Okay, does this person have a fly potion? No, I think they just want the saber tooth. Trading saber tooth for fly, potion, or ride. Now jump up and down. Because I really want a flyable or rideable dodo bird. Nope, this person's the same person from earlier. I'm gonna feed my saber tooth. They really want it. I'm gonna say, nope, they declined. Where is that person with the golden griffin? I just saw them. Oh, they're over there. Ooh, I'm gonna put in my dodo bird for that. Okay. I think they're gonna accept. What if I take the saber tooth out? I think they're gonna decline. Or maybe they're waiting for me. I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna do it anymore. This could be the thumbnail. Okay, gonna do that. Hello. I'm just gonna decline and trade the person with the golden griffin. And also go to the pool party so I can get more monies and trade fossil eggs. Or do a what would people trade for fossil eggs video. I'm gonna get my saber tooth. Nope, I fell. I think lots of people are coming. And no one's coming. I know, I'm gonna fall off. Time to wait for my saber tooth. Oh, I'm gonna do you have ride or fly potion? Do you? Anyone? I don't think they have one. I'm gonna trade them anyways. And run. And they don't have one. I'm not going to accept that because that's a common, and what I have is an ultra rare. So I'm not doing that. Okay. That person has a frost. I can't reach. What if I do that? And then go over to him. Oh, he's lower. Aw, man, all that work and he declined. I'll do it for this neon unicorn. And my saber tooth too. That's a neon flightable, rideable. Oops. Oh no. Nope, they put in a Tiffany. And I don't want a Tiffany. I'm gonna trade this person. Hey, tell them, can I offer, low? Oh, no, I don't have one. No. Oh. I think that's it for today. See you guys next time.